Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Thursday, October 18, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, a candle that has failed to change the trend to the downside with a lower high and a lower low, but also failed to extend the market up above the previous high, failing to continue the series of higher highs and higher lows in this market. That failure to do so does suggest that there is potential for a change of trend. It's an inside bar or an inside day in terms of bar charts, and it's actually a hook reversal in terms of bar charts as well, where we have a prior trend, we have the market upping up towards the high, closing towards the low with an inside day, and very strong potential for a change of trend. We have a fairly large black body candle here. It suggests that now the momentum has swung to the buyers, certainly throughout the trading day today, and they have scored some solid downside momentum throughout the trading day, and closing the market down below the important previous resistance and support area at 130.79. This is also a potential Japanese candlestick reversal pattern, a harami pattern, a bearish reversal, and that's where we have the prior uptrend, a longish white body, and a smaller black body where the black body is within the previous white body. And it does suggest that the balance throughout the trading day has swung to the sellers, whereas previously it was solidly with the buyers, and that's why we have potential for a change of trend. If we do see that change of trend, we have solid support down below where the market's trading at 130.25, and then also down around the 129.68 to 130 area we have the Kijun Sen and the Tenkan Sen trading, and that makes that very solid support for this market. Some minor levels extending down through the 129 level and down to the 128.57 level, and also we do need to watch the trend line and the trend channel. Here we see the trend line, and the trend line will be trading now up very close to this 128.57 level, and will provide very solid potential support for this market if we do trade down around there. Yesterday we discussed the potential for the trend channel here to be an area where the market may reverse, and now we've seen that weakness coming into the market as the market tested above the top trend channel, and we're seeing the selling coming in, and it wouldn't surprise to see the market trade off and test to these lower levels. Down below the 128.57 level we have this very strong area of previous support and resistance shaded in grey, so very solid support all the way below. To the upside, however, if we don't see that change of trend and the market does continue trading up, we do have solid resistance at the 130.145 area, and then above this major swing high around the 130.172 area to the 131.96 area, so that is solid resistance up above there. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, here we've seen the market trade up through the 100% level, test or attempt to test near the 161.8%. We've seen the sellers come in, there is potential for a change of trend, but if that trend doesn't change today and we see the market test to the 161.8% in a weak manner again, there could also be reason for that potential change of trend. It does offer us a potential chart target to watch for any weakness in this market, and that area coincides with this swing high, so a very significant area of solid resistance based not only on the support and resistance but also on the Fibonacci ratios. Also, in terms of the Fibonacci retracement of the prior downtrend, we're in an expansion mode of that, and we have the 261.8% level above where the market's trading at 131.54, and that coincides roughly with this strong area where we saw this major price rejection previously, so very solid resistance above. In terms of Ichimoku, we still have a market that's bullish in all three timeframes. The market's trading above the clouds, so we have a bullish market in the long-term timeframe. It's also trading above the Kijun Sen, the pink line here, so bullish in the medium term, and also above the Tenkan Sen, the green line, so bullish in the short-term timeframe. The Kijun Sen, the pink line, is pointing flat. Very often when that points flat, price action is attracted back towards that flat Kijun Sen, so there is a possibility that, or a very strong possibility, that we could see that change of trend that I've already mentioned, but certainly a change of trend would need to breach some of these important support levels that I've already mentioned down around the 130.25, and I think if we do see the market sell off, this area around the 130 to 129.68 will be very solid support.